Installing the DC power cable. Select the sets of DC terminals. Crimp the positive and negative metal terminals respectively onto the positive and negative cables. Insert the positive and negative terminals into the positive and negative connectors and tighten the connectors. Measure the voltage between the connectors. Ensure that the two DC switches are off. Remove the dust-proof caps and insert the positive and negative connectors into the corresponding positive and negative DC input terminals of the SUN2000.